reversed out and I'm videoing at the same time. So things must be getting better. We're just leaving Ullapool. It is 20 to 6 in the morning. It's stopped raining. Wind is hasn't started getting up yet, but it will do. Set to be 4 to 5, so probably Genoa out only. Shut you off for a minute, otherwise it's going to get boring. Bye, Ullapool. Thank you very much. You are absolutely beautiful. And we are on our way to Lochinver. Lochinver, in one word. Just heading out of Lochbroom. And it's like a cross of pontoons, and I've got to go see if I can find a space on the east arm. So here goes. Oh, we made it in. It's blowing. Nobody here, but I didn't expect anybody to be here. And literally two spaces. One next to this big beastie, which is quite tiny, and one next to this little one, which was a bit more spacious, but I managed to reverse in. But blimey, it was quite hard. It's still blowing in here. It's between 15 and 20 knots. So yeah. Well done, Jo, and well done, Flo. It was a tough one leaving. We were really pinned onto the pontoon, so yeah, had to spring us off, and it took me 5 or 10 minutes to get us off. But we're off, we're away, leaving Lochinver. It is 5:15, Sunday the We're going up to Kinlochbervie. We've got a 4 to 5 today, and it really is a 4 to 5. So it is blowing already, but it shouldn't get any worse. We've got a headland to go round, and then we'll have the wind behind us because it's a southwesterly. So it's a swell regatta weekend this weekend, and I think basically I've hogged all of the wind. I've basically got the whole lot for the whole of Great Britain. Far north now, so this is the last place that we'll go to before turning right to go over the top of Scotland. there's 3 of us coming out this morning. They're both going up to the Orkneys, up to Stromness. Oh no, actually no. The little one's going to Stromness and the big one's going south. Yeah, so goodbye Kinlochbervie, thank you very much. Well, we're 3/4 of an hour in. It's there's not a great deal of wind, only between 10 and 15 knots, but the swell, as always out here, is a huge. That little boat, Marguerite, little tiny little boat, doing very well. And I've got one ahead of me. Can't see it, it's too far in the distance, but they're both going to Stromness. Yeah, they're both going up to the Orkneys and Stromness. But yeah, so we're going to be motor sailing, I think probably, I think all of the way actually. We've got our mainsail up, which is helping us a little bit. Up there, giving us a little bit of help. But the swells, yeah, just awful, absolutely awful to be honest. But the trouble is, if you don't come out and face a little bit, you're never going to go anywhere. Nice bit of porridge, which I should be eating straight out of the pan. And this is Cape Wrath, which we are just about to start rounding. It has got a bit lumpy, but speed's gone up. Getting a little bit further around Cape Wrath. I certainly wouldn't want to come around here in anything worse than it is today. Yeah, I've had to slow Flo down because she's sort of slamming into the waves, and you can't really see, but what is happening is like there's one wave meeting another wave, and they seem to sort of crash into each other every now and then. Yeah, I suppose at the best of times that's what happens around here. But yeah, we're cracking on. I'll be glad to get round this cape, and then I think we've got about 50 miles plus easterly, so things should get a little bit better. Afternoon. We've been going since 5 o'clock this morning, so we haven't done too bad actually, and had tide all the way with us from Cape Wrath, so that's good, haven't lost the tide. So that is Thurso over there, and this is the little harbour that is Scrabster. So I've got to radio through for permission to come in, and then they've got a berth available for me, but he said it was near a pile of logs. Well, I think I might need to ask again when I get in. Permission's just been given to enter the harbour, so in we go. I can see the logs. That's it, we're in. Just had a nice chat with the harbour master, very nice. Jack, there he goes. Hivies just helped me onto the pontoon. So yeah, we've got everything here. Got a little pub, got a restaurant, got a cafe, and I'm going to be getting the ferry here over to Stromness because I've obviously dipped out on going to the Orkneys, so that's the ferry terminal. So yeah, all good.